Welcome to Legacy Ice Academy. Today I am going to discuss an important topic of environment, that is environmental performance index. So here in this environmental performance index, India's rank is at last. So that's why this index become important for us. Okay, why this article is important, or what is the context of this particular article? Here Indian government as well as environmental expert have pointed to the faulty methodology of index that skew the result in favor of global north. So here we have to understand two things. One thing we have to understand, we have environmental conservation. Other side we have economic development. And both these two things are inversely proportional. Like whenever we are focusing too much on environment, or we are focusing environmental conservation, somehow, some way it may hurt our economic development. So economic development depend on exploitations of the resources, like how well we are going to exploit the resources are maybe land resources are maybe forest resources are maybe minerals resources are maybe like water resources. Okay, so many different type of resources we have. Unless or until we are not going to exploit these resources, our economic development is not going to happen. When we do, and these exploitation of these resources are very important to provide food, to provide shelter. Okay, to provide, I can say, food, shelter, water, to provide employment to the people. So I can say that there is always a dilemma between two good things. Environmental conservation is also very important, and economic development is very important. When we talked about environmental performance index, this environmental performance index somehow giving India very lower rank. So that's why concerns start to come regarding the parameter to evaluate or to analyze the performance of two countries. When we see the relevance of this particular article, relevance, we can say that in GS paper 3 we have a topic conservation, environmental pollution, degradations and environmental impact assessment. For these topics, this news is important. Here, first of all, we have to understand basics about environmental performance index. As I told, whenever we are focusing too much on environmental conservation, somehow we are going to compromise our development. Like, and second thing, when we see India is a developing country. India is a developing country that require lot of economic development to provide food, to provide shelter, to provide employment to its own people. When we compare India with developed world already exploited their resources. So comparative analysis among the country should not be same parameter. Okay, how much Nordic countries are saving their forest, that same parameter cannot be applicable on India, because our need is different from developed country need. So here when we see this our environmental performance index is an international ranking system that measures environmental health and sustainability of the country. It was started in 2002 by World Economic Forum. That basic things you have to remember. And again, as I told, different countries have different status of economic development, and different country cannot be judged by same measure. Parameter, again here, this environment performance index is taking 40 parameter. This 40 parameter is somehow clubbed with 11 categories, and this 11 categories finally clubbed with 3 main policy objectives. So this environment performance index is taking 40 parameters, again combining all 40 parameters into 11 categories, and finally looking in three broad areas. Number one, environmental health, ecosystem vitality, and climate change. So these are the three areas where we have to focus. Now, India's ranking, as I told, as per this index, India on last. That is a cause of concerns. That's why I told we cannot evaluate or we cannot give ranking of different country. Like developed countries, objectives are different. Like USA, European country, Nordic country, Japan, Australia, they are already developed. They are able to provide basic necessity things to their people. But we have other countries like developing countries like India, Brazil, South Africa, and we have least developed countries also. This least developed country like African country, how we can compare Somalia with Netherlands? We cannot compare. So first of all, whenever you are making this ranking has to be some based on some objective criteria, not the subjective criteria. So here when we see in other index like biodiversity, India's ranking is 179, protected area 177, species protection index 179, air quality 179, climate policy 169, ecosystem vitality 178. So in all the parameter, India has put it very low rank. Issue, as I told, one thing is all the country cannot be compared together. Area of the countries are different, status of peoples are different, okay, development is different. So how we can combine all the country together and give a ranking? So we have to bring out some we have to remove subjectivity in evaluating, we have to bring the objectivity. So subjectivity among the parameters is very high, that create a problem, and lack of normalizations. As I told, we cannot compare apple with the orange. Both are different things. To compare both of them, we have to normalize. We have to bring out very objective parameter to compare two different countries. So way forward will be very simple in the sense they have given India's rank based on their own parameter. So what India has to do, India should collect some argument with relevant fact and put its argument how India can be put it at lower rank. How India can be compared with a small country. Our dense forest is more. Like India is able to reduce, consider 1 hectare dense forest. Maybe one country hardly 1 hectare dense forest is there. So how India can be compared with country B? Address subjectivity as much as possible and normalization of the parameter. So this is all about this particular article. So here only thing you have to remember what is environment impact, environment performance index, who release it, and what are the cause of concerns. Again, thank you for watching this video.